Hi, this is a quick screencast to talk about transferring websites over to SiteGround from another web host. So the web host that we use is so it's called NetVirtue, and if I log into WHM, I can get all of the websites that we currently have, and then by editing the DNS zone, in this case for the website maximuminternational.com.au, that's the one that I want to transfer over to SiteGround. I've used the plugin and transferred Maximum International over to SiteGround. The files are there, I just need to update the DNS records. If I did a whois lookup on it, Maximum International, it tells me that the registrar name is Synergy Wholesale Proprietary Limited. But if I go to their website, they're just a reseller, and I don't have the login details for Synergy Wholesale. So unless there's another way, the only way that I know at the moment that I could do it is to edit the DNS zone in here. So I've looked at a quick tutorial, and apparently this serial number here is just the year, the month, sorry, the year, it's a date. So I'd need to update that to let it know that it's changed, and then updating NS1 and NS2. There is an NS3 as well, and apparently NS1 SiteGround, NS2 SiteGround. So put those two into there. Other than that, you know, like A records, CNAME, MX, and all of those, do I need to change these? If you have any advice on that, that would be great. Also, people's emails. If I do this, does this affect their emails? And is there a way to manage their, so here, webmail, I guess it is it? That one there. So hopefully, this screencast will help. So looking for a little bit of assistance. Okay, great. Thank you.